Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to sketch a girl wearing a mask. Let's start by drawing the outline of her face, paying attention to the shape of the jawline and the position of the eye. Next, draw the mask over her nose and mouth area. Remember to leave enough space around the edges for the elastic straps. Now let's add some details to the mask. You can draw folds and creases to give it a realistic look. Moving on to the eyes, draw them above the mask. You can make them expressive or keep them simple depending on your preference. Don't forget to add eyebrow above the eyes for a natural look. Now let's add some hair framing her face. You can draw it flowing or tied back, whichever style you prefer. And there you have it, a girl wearing a mask ready to take on the day while staying safe. Feel free to add any additional details or colors to make the drawing your own. Thanks for following along with our tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it and feel inspired to create your own masked characters. In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, learn how to draw a girl wearing a protective mask. Whether you are an aspiring artist or just looking for a fun activity, follow along as we capture the essence of safety and style. Let's dive in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.